So this is the AOA 32-inch Full HD TV you can see here. Now, I'm not familiar with the AOA brand, so I was taking a risk with that, but what I've identified during startup, that all the web operating system, everything is linked to LG, the brand LG. So it even includes the LG streaming app for all the LG channels. Now, what I also liked about this is it has 3 HDMI inputs. It also has an Ethernet connection. It allows for Wi-Fi connection to the internet. It has Bluetooth connectivity. It also allows for auxiliary out, which lets you add, say, headphones or something like that, or a soundbar, as well as optical out. And it has 2 USBs that can be used for both playing media and also for PVR. It is quite well made. It's relatively light and made of mostly plastic. But what I was looking for in the features of the TV before I purchased it was something that had good amount of RAM, and this has 8 gig of storage. It also has 1.5 gig that's used as storage for the operating system, and also for the always on feature that this web operating system actually has. So what always on actually is when I turn the TV on and push the button, it opens relatively quickly. So as long as I guess there's power running to the TV itself, then it allows for a quick boot. So you're not waiting for the TV to come on for a long time, which you find with a lot of smart TVs. Now, as far as this goes, I use it here in the office for training and workshops. But what it has is a whole heap of features I'm not actually using. So I don't have a digital television connection here, so I don't have an antenna, but it can connect obviously to DTV or digital television, as well as all your main apps, including Netflix and Prime, which you can also have these quick fire buttons on your remote. Now, as far as the remote goes for this, I would have liked something a little bit smaller, but given I don't necessarily use the screen a lot, then it's not a huge sticking point for me. And plus, obviously, with some remotes, they can be harder to navigate with less buttons because you have to work out what each one does. Whereas this one, they're relatively good size and clear